Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dr. Lee. I come from Bukit Mertajam, which is on the northern part of Peninsular Malaysia, and right now I'm staying in Kluang, Johor, the southern part. So welcome everyone to my YouTube channel. As you know, I'm now teaching prefixes and suffixes. A very wide topic, and as requested by either a subscriber or a person who watched my videos. So here I am. This is the 9th video, video number 9. And for suffixes, is much more than that. This is the 5th video for suffixes. It's much more. There is one more to go. So the next video will be the last video, and I would have completed prefixes and suffixes. For prefixes, I use 4 videos. But for suffixes, 6 videos. So a total of 10 videos. This is number 9. We have one more to go. Because suffixes, there are lots, truly. So as you know, prefixes are 1, 2, 3, 4 or even 5 letters that we put in front of the base word to change the meaning. Whereas for suffixes, we do the same thing. We add 1, 2, 3, 4 or maybe 5 letters behind the base form, the base word, to change the meaning and to change the grammatical function. So what do we mean by grammatical function? Grammatical function means to say we change from a verb to a noun, or a noun to an adjective, or an adjective to a verb or a noun. So you change the word form. So that is called grammatical function. So as you can see here, I have listed out another 7 what we call common suffixes and their meanings. Now, why is it so important that we need to know the meaning? If we don't know the meaning, we will not be able to know what to add behind. It's as simple as that. Okay, so for suffixes or even prefixes, we must know the meaning that we want to present. If, for example, I want to say that something it looks like yellow, I say yellowish. Or it's quite yellow, rather yellow in color, I will say yellowish. But if I just say the color, I will say yellow. So yellow is an adjective. Of course, yellowish is an adjective as well. But the meaning is not the same. That is why when we present our speech, the way we speak or the way we write, we need to know the meaning. And what is the word form that we are going to use in our sentence, whether in speaking or in writing. So we must know the meaning. We must know the function. I'm using it as a noun, or I'm using it as a verb, or I'm using it as an adjective. Okay? And there is no what you call, a lot of people ask me, what is the formula? There is no formula actually, but the meaning you have to know. Maybe we can say that the formula is the meaning. Okay? You must know the meaning and the function of the word in order to know what to put behind the base word. And perhaps you may be thinking, what if I'm learning by myself? What if I'm doing homework? What if I'm doing revision? What if I want to know this word, how I use it? Well, it's so simple. Today we have your handphone, your smartphone, or you have the computer. Just go to Google, type prefixes or suffixes for this word. Example, suffixes for courage. So you will see courageous. So then you know, or prefix encourage. So then you know, oh, my meaning is brave. So it's courageous. That is the way. So how would you know? Remember, know the meaning and how you are going to use it. You can't say that because it is used, therefore it is useless. No, it can be useful. It can be usage. See? So the important thing is, maybe you can say that the rule is know the meaning and know the function. Oh, my meaning is using this much of electricity. So it is usage. Oh, my meaning is, this is a very good thing. Like a handphone. I can use it for so many things. So it's useful. Or I say, oh, I can't use this anymore. I want to throw it away. Then it's useless. So you can't say that because it's used and therefore it must be useful or useless. Because it could be useful, useless, or usage. So the main thing is know the meaning. And know, in your sentence, you are using it as a verb, as a noun, as an adverb, as an adjective. Okay? So, less. First of all, full. Full means to be full of something. Example, helpful. So helpful means full of help, full of this quality of wanting to help others. So you are helpful. Less. Less is no. So for example, useless. Useless means it's of no help at all. It is of no use at all, I would say. Or ious. The meaning is having the quality, or it is full of. So for example, joy. Now the word joy is a noun. Joy is happiness. But joyful is an adjective. It describes an event, a joyful event, or can be a person. It is an adjective. So it is full of joy. So it's joyful. Okay, or he is joyful. ious, same. Having the quality or full of. For example, curious. Okay, when you are curious, it means to say you have this quality of wanting to know. I want to know this, I want to know. Why, how? So that's called curious. Okay, it's an adjective. Or just put a why behind. Why do we put a why behind? Because we want to talk, we want to say that it has the quality. Okay, you describe something like a cloudy day. That means the sky has clouds, no sun. Of course, this could also mean full of, like full of clouds, and therefore it is cloudy. Okay? icy. Icy means relating to, associated with. That means having a connection with. Example, metallic. So metallic means it has a connection with metals. Just the word metal is the base from the original word. But when you want to change it to an adjective, for example, a metallic reaction or a metallic material, then you add one more L. But in grammar, it is IC. The suffix is IC, not LIC. Because not always you put LIC. Okay, like economic, there's no L. But you can see IC. Okay, it's an adjective. And ISH. ISH means rather or quite. So it's yellow, which is quite yellow it means. Okay, it's rather yellow in color. And whether it is yellow or yellowish, both are adjectives. The usage is different only. Okay? Or I would say not the usage. The usage is the same as an adjective, but I would say the meaning is not the same. Okay? It looks rather yellow, so it's yellowish. But if it's really yellow, then it is yellow in color. Okay? And you can see the exercises over here. Now I have forgotten which exercise. Later on I will put. So for this exercise is the previous, the video before this. So you are to put all these IFY, IBLE, HOOD, 8 or ATE, ITY, AGE or EN. See which is the suitable one. I can tell you that every word is different. You can't say that it because the last letter is D, so I put a Y there. No, it's not. It doesn't work that way. Okay? The other side is to this. Either you put OUS, Y, ISH, IC, FUL, IOUS, or LESS. So you see which is suitable, you just add it on. And in the next video, we will discuss and I will give you the answers. If you want to know the answers, as I told you, just go to Google, type prefixes or type suffixes, it comes out. There are so many words and we have to learn them one by one. There is no such thing as because this letter is like this and therefore it's like this. Because it is a noun, so verb you must put like this. No. Okay, or because it is an adjective, I want to change it to a noun, so I put ITY. No, you can put NESS, it's a noun as well. or you can put HOOD, is a noun as well. Okay, so word by word. So in the end, you might say, then how am I going to learn? Well, number one, more practice. Do a lot of exercises on prefixes and suffixes. Not only it helps you in your grammar, it strengthens or enhances your vocabulary. You will know so many words and their meanings, because suffixes and prefixes, you have to know the meaning in order to do. So you will learn a lot of words and their meanings, which is a good thing. And another way would be to remember. Okay, so if I want to talk about memory, then I put Y. Remember, so I must remember. Oh, remember. I must remember, so remember is a verb. But if I want to use remember as a noun, it becomes remembrance. So we took photos for remembrance. Grammar rule. If there's a preposition in, on, under, over, for, from, behind, if it is a verb, you put ing. If not, it is a noun. So because I say for, therefore behind is a noun. What is the noun for remember? Remembrance. It is not rememberhood. It is not rememberage. It is not remember tea. No. Okay, it's fixed. All these words are already fixed in grammar, and there's absolutely nothing we can do about it. So only through constant practice, only through remembering, if that is your way of learning, then you can know what answer, what prefix or what suffix you should use. Okay, so one more video and I close. Okay, it's the end of our prefixes and suffixes. If you want to buy my book, Level 1, Level 2, please WhatsApp to me. If you want to learn speaking or writing from me, same. WhatsApp to me. Okay, WhatsApp to me. If you are in Kluang, of course, you can come to my tuition center. In fact, I'm now at my own tuition center. But if you are not in Kluang, you want to learn, maybe you can, we can still, I can still teach you, but using online classes, through online classes. Okay, so whether it is for SPM or for MUWET or for any test that you need in order to go overseas, or IGCSE O level, or you want to learn English just to upgrade yourself, or business English, you can look for me and you need to WhatsApp to me. Alright, please do not call. And if there's anything you want me to teach in my YouTube channel, please go to my YouTube channel, go to the place where there are comments, and there you write down what you want. I read my comments, I read comments. So when I read, I will arrange time to teach you. Okay, so that's all for me this time. I will see you again in the next video. Remember to give me a like, share, and subscribe.